Okay. So I think medyo obvious naman from my videos na ako ay isang advocate ng tinatawag na all the gear all the time or yung ATGA TT, which means as much as possible kahit mahaba or kahit 5 minutes, 10 minutes lang yung biyahe mo dyan sa bayan, I always advocate wearing proper gear and full gear at that. So that means meron kang jacket, pants, gloves, helmet, and syempre boots, no? However, we will make an exception tomorrow dahil bukas meron tayong ride or isa sa pinakamalaking riding event sa buong mundo. Ito yung The Gentleman's Ride, which is a ride for men's mental health and prostate cancer. If you're a man or if meron kang asawa, brother, or anak and rider ka, please be part of this event. So I'll be attending one dito sa amin sa Lucena City and we'll ride out dito lang sa Candelaria. And to celebrate, we will donate to charity kung ano man yung proceeds ng event natin. So, yun. See you around.